This is Blackbeard's Treasure Hunt. This is a really fun game for kids ages 4 and up for 2 to 4 players. The whole object of the game is to race to unlock Blackbeard's treasure. And once you do that, you use the key and you're going to reveal gold. Let's see how the game works. Woo! Look how fun. You get these really neat dice collectors with different images for pirates. We got a shark, got a pirate hat, got like a doubloon and a skull and crossbones. Then you get your treasure and your dice. First, let's load up our treasure chest. All of our golden doubloons. Next, we're going to choose our pirate name. You're going to choose a word from the first column, then the second column, and then add your name. So I'm going to choose Smelly Eye Tiffany. Depending on how many players, you're going to hand out a card to each player. Each player chooses their own dice collector. Everyone has to turn over their map, and this is going to help them unlock their treasure chest. The first person to do it wins. The winner of each round gets to keep 1 gold coin. You put the remaining coins back inside of your treasure chest. The next round, give each player a new card and place all the dice back on the table. The first player to collect 3 gold coins wins the game. What's even better is that it's really easy to put away. You can put all your doubloons and all of your dice back inside of your treasure chest. Easy cleanup for toys too. Thank you so much to Van Gogh Toys for sending me this product for free.